Hello, my name is Oscar Moreno with Moreno Custom Home Visions, and today we're going to teach you guys how to drill through stainless steel. Basic tools you're going to need is a drill bit and a drill. One of the tips that I can give you guys before drilling through your stainless steel would be to keep your drill setting at least at a 2 or at a low speed. You really don't want to go too fast when drilling into this material, because you basically end up doing is overheating your drill bit, making it dull, and you guys are not going to get anywhere. So try to keep it nice and slow when you're drilling through this kind of metal. Also, make sure that if you're using a wood and a metal tip, that these guys are sharp. You always have to make sure these guys are sharp, or another thing is you're not going to get anywhere. All you're going to do is just overheat the tip, ruin your surface that you're working on, and pretty much kill your whole battery in your drill. So first thing you want to do is clamp down your material, your surface. Make sure it's sturdy, whatever you're going to be drilling into. And you're going to apply firm pressure from right behind the drill and straight forward. Always try to apply straight pressure in order for this drill bit not to break, especially when you're using thinner drill bits. If you move slightly at any direction when you're drilling through, you can end up breaking your drill bit in the middle of your work and ruining your surface. So pretty much that's what it takes in order for you guys to drill through stainless steel.